pimple problem? Oh, I feel you. But what if I told you that you don't need expensive creams or harsh chemicals to get clear, glowing skin? Yep, today I'm going to share 5 amazing all-natural remedies that'll help you banish those pesky pimples once and for all, without breaking the bank. Stick around, because number 5 is a total game changer. First up, we've got the magical liquid, tea tree oil. This stuff is seriously a skin superhero. It's packed with natural antibacterial properties that fight off the bacteria causing your pimples. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce the redness and swelling around the pimple. Plus, it's a great oil for balancing the oil production on your skin, so you won't over-dry or over-moisturize. All you need is a tiny dab, literally just a drop or two, and apply it directly to the pimple. Leave it overnight, and bam! You'll notice a reduction in swelling by morning. Easy, right? But, quick tip, don't overdo it. Too much tea tree oil can dry your skin out, and that's the last thing we want. So go easy. And, if you have sensitive skin, always do a patch test first to make sure your skin loves it as much as I do. Next, honey. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a powerful pimple-fighting hero. Honey has amazing antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help kill the acne-causing bacteria on your skin. It also helps to soothe your skin, which is so important when dealing with inflammation and irritation from pimples. The best part? Honey keeps your skin moisturized while it's working its magic. Just apply a thin layer of honey to the pimple. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, calm, and less angry. Trust me, the natural sugars in honey also help with exfoliation. So it's not just about fighting pimples. It's giving your skin some TLC too. And if you want to take it up a notch, mix honey with a little cinnamon. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory properties and will help boost the effects of honey. Okay, now let's talk aloe vera. If your skin's a little irritated from pimples, aloe is like a cool, soothing hug for your face. Aloe is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help to reduce inflammation and speed up healing. It's also rich in salicylic acid, which is known for its acne-fighting power. Rub it right onto your pimples and let it absorb. It feels so refreshing. Plus, it helps prevent scars from forming after your pimples heal. A win for your skin. Simply scoop out the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to your pimples. It's so refreshing. It cools down your skin instantly and helps prevent scarring. If you use aloe consistently, you'll notice your pimples heal faster and leave fewer marks behind. Aloe vera can also balance your skin's oil production, so it's perfect for oily and combination skin. Plus, it's gentle enough to use twice a day, morning and night. Green tea isn't just great for your health, it's amazing for your skin too. It's packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, which help to reduce inflammation and fight off the bacteria causing your pimples. Drinking green tea regularly can help purify your skin from the inside, but you can also use it topically to get even more benefits. After brewing a cup of green tea, let it cool down and soak a cotton ball in it. Use that cotton ball to gently swipe it over your face like a toner. This can help tighten your pores, reduce redness, and give your skin a fresh glow. If you don't have time to make tea, you can also find green tea extract in many skincare products. But nothing beats fresh, natural green tea from your kitchen. And of course, don't forget to drink it too. Your skin will thank you. And finally, number 5, the ice cube treatment. Now, this is a bit of a secret weapon. Ice can help reduce swelling and redness in just minutes. It literally shrinks your pimples by constricting the blood vessels, which reduces inflammation. I love this because it's an instant fix before an event, or if you just need a quick cool down. Just remember, don't overdo it. Too much ice can irritate your skin, so 1 to 2 minutes is perfect. So, there you have it. 5 awesome natural remedies that'll help you keep those pimples in check. Remember, consistency is key, so try these out for a couple of weeks and see the magic happen. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun skincare hacks, and drop a comment below with your favorite natural remedy.